Hey everybody, Cowboy here. I took a live trade during our free to the public daily live lab. You can see it on YouTube. If you stick around till the end of the video clip, you can see where to find us, what we do, website and all that. As a matter of fact, right on the screen you can see our website and a QR code that you can zap. Until then, enjoy the show. Give me a second, I gotta take this trade on my trade station. Oh, let's see, 18, so 7 times 3, we'll take that number. Close enough. Looks like it's already going in my direction. Okay, so I saw this trade coming, and I knew that I wanted to go long. I don't have targets yet, because I wanted to get into the trade, I have a stop loss set down there, right? So now I'm going to determine my target, and it's going to be based on this short-term what do you call this, impulse. Okay, so my entry, which I'm already in profit, but my entry was at, and this is on gold, I filled at 1916.90. So we're gonna put 1916.90. And my stop loss, what do I have? 1914. We're going to have it at an even 1914. Oh, that's profit level. 1914 even. Okay. And what was our entry? We said 1916.90. So entry price 1916.90. Good profit. We don't know yet. We're going to determine that now. All right, so we're going to go through an exercise that's pretty common for our private members to see, and I'm going to go ahead and use a Fibonacci tool, and I'm going to measure out the different Fibonacci levels. So for those who don't know what a Fibonacci is, it's just a group of mathematically significant numbers that was, you could say, discovered by an individual. I believe his name was Fibonacci. You see these numbers occur in nature. They're in their proportions. You'll find it in the joints of your hands. You'll find it in like pine cones, the way that they swirl. It's just a group of numbers, okay? And the trades, I don't know what it's about. I don't know if it's self-fulfilled prophecy. I don't know if it's if it's something in the universe or human behavior, but trades tend to kind of work with those numbers. I just used a fixed range right now to determine where price may go relative to these Fibonacci numbers, and it looks like just above the 618 is a high probability scenario. So I'm choosing a volume node close to 618 right here, and I'm actually going to choose a volume node below the 618 because price gets attracted to volume nodes, and this volume node is just you see this faint blue line. Might be hard to see on the screen. Let me zoom in. The fixed range has a value area high. It's an area of values where most of the price action happens. And then there's a high in that right there. That's the blue. And then the low is this blue. The stop loss is below that low. It doesn't always, but it tends to be. So I'm going to choose just below that value area high. And it's below the 618. And it's in at the bottom of a volume node. And price has a decent probability of going there, and that'll be my first target. So I'm going to get rid of everything else, and this will be my trade. It's a small trade because price is actually kind of bearish, but it's at a point where it could easily flip around for a short-term gain. And so our top target is 1921.53. Okay, right, and then I'll take some profit off here at 1919.70. So let me go ahead and throw that all into my trade station here. Several minutes later. Since it's a test algo, I'm going to go ahead and take half the profit off now, and then I'm going to set the stop loss at entry because yeah, this is a test trade anyway. So let me go ahead over to my trade station, and I'm going to cancel this sell order, yep, confirm, And I'm going to market sell half the position size now. Okay. That was, oh, that did not market sell. That limit sold. Discard. Son of a gun. Okay. It did market sell, but you're allowed to hold opposite positions. I got to actually close half the position rather than market sell on this exchange. So let me do that. Okay. Let's see. How does one do that? Interesting. I'm not sure how to modify this position. Let's see. Close position. There we go. 1750. Okay. So I just closed half that position. And I'll close it all. It's a test trade. Screw it. It's good enough. You see how price is now going down. So, you know, the algos told me that price had kind of met its potential top. I was going to head down. So again, being a test trade, relatively small, I went ahead and just closed everything out. But you can see that, I mean, you can see how accurate the algo is. I stopped what I was doing because I looked at the market conditions and I saw that price is probably going to turn around on me. Now there's a decent chance it's going to actually grab some liquidity right here. There's a decent chance it's going to grab liquidity and head up again. That can happen. It's actually pretty likely. But because this is a test trade, I'm not going to, you know, I don't have enough data to be confident like it's going to do that yet. So I'll take the initial bump. And then if I see a chance for a re-entry, then I will take it. In the meantime, I've gathered some nice profit. It was actually, like I said, it was a little sizable of a trade for a test trade. So we'll keep an eye out. And that'll be that. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 a.m. EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are giving out memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.